So now let us have the statements. A statement causes an action to be performed by the program. It translates directly into one or more executable computer programs or computer instructions. You may have noticed that we have used a semicolon at the end of the statements in our programs. And most statements need a semicolon at the end, and some do not. So in this topic, we have um, the following subtopics: statement type, the role of semicolon, statements, and the constants. Now, these are the types of statements. We have the null, the expression, return statement, compound statement, conditional, labeled, switch, iterative, break, continue, and go to. Some of these statements will be tackled in this video, and some will be tackled in the later videos, the next videos. Now, this figure shows a compound statement in which we have the opening brace and the closing brace. The opening brace that shows the end, the start of the block, and the end of the block is here at the closing brace. And between these braces are the compound statements. Like we have here the local declarations, okay, of integers x, y, and z, and the statements, assignment statements, x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. Okay, so this means that the compound statement started here and will be ended here. So the compound statements do not need a semicolon. Okay, so we don't need a semicolon, just here and the end of the block. So let us have a sample for our statements. And of course, we'll be using the constant. Now, okay, so we'll be using this one. So in this program, we will try to solve the area of the circle. So the area of the circle, okay, we have here area of a circle. So first, like we will be using variables. For example, we'll be using the double data type for the radius and the area. Okay, area of circle. Sorry. Okay. So here we will be asking the user to enter the area of the circle. Please enter the area. I mean the radius of the circle, of a circle. Okay. So here, the radius will be using the scanf. Okay, again, I am using the version 2013, so the deprecated tag scanf will be replaced by scanfs. So radius is of type double, so we will be using the format specifier %f and assigned to radius. Okay. Then we can calculate the area of circle by having the pi r squared. Okay, pi r squared. Okay, So for the pi r squared, um, we'll be removing this one. The formula of a circle, the area of the circle is pi r squared. Okay. So pi r squared, in which pi has a constant value of 3.14. Okay. Like 3.1416. And the radius is the value that is we're going to get from the user. And we have to square it. Now, we will be using the um, since the pi will not be changed, so we have to make it constant. So for the constant variable, we have the word const, the data type, which is of type double. Pi is equal to the value 3.1416. And now we can have the pi times the radius times the radius, in which radius and radius will be um, evaluated first. So we have to enclose it in a parenthesis. Okay, so that the resulting r squared will be multiplied by pi. And the area will be printed here. Area of the circle of a circle is here, will be area of circle. Okay. So let's try to have, for example, the area of the circle is 2, radius is 2, so it's equal to 3.14 times 4. Okay, then let's try to run. Yes. Sorry. We haven't specified the format specifier for the area of the circle, so it's percent %f. Okay, we will not specify up to how many decimal places as for now. Then save all and run. Okay. So for example, we have to place escape character /n here before the please enter the radius of a circle, so that it will be placed in a new line. For example, area of the circle is 2. So by the way, radius, all right, for a while. Now let's try to modify this one, and instead of double, we'll be using the float data type for our radius and area of circle, and of course also we'll modify the pi constant value of type float also. So now let's try to save all changes and run. Okay, so for the area of the circle, for the radius, let's try to enter 2, and we have the area of the circle that is 12.500 5664. Okay, 5664. We have 4 decimal places here because we have specified 0.4f. Okay, percent 0.4f for the format specifier of the area of the circle. Okay, so we have used the constant value for declaring a variable of pi. So this will not change during the program execution. You cannot change the value of pi. It has a constant value. Okay, thank you.